you're having a great day today. I wanted to take this opportunity to talk a little bit about the customizable table views in Rivet. We can access those from either our jobs view, selecting our table, or workforce view, selecting our table. We can see here that the headers on the table are customizable. You can reorganize these, finding the view that works best with you, and then save it. You can access your saved views in this drop down over here. I'd like to draw your attention to this group by drop down that lets you group your jobs or your workforce by any field that you wish to. You want to group them by what zip code they're coming from. There you go. Any group you choose to organize your workforce or your jobs. We also have the ability with this columns button to select which columns we want visible on any said view. If we would like to set this up to see only the employees' addresses, this works for jobs as well. We can hide everything, only select addresses, save this, and now all of our addresses will appear. Any employees without addresses will fall down here. If we would like to quickly edit one of these jobs, the button to do so is over here on the right hand side. Of course, we could still edit these jobs or workers from their baseball card, but you may find this workflow to be more easily accessible. You can change your view over here, see a lot of information on the screen here, see a little bit less information on the screen. Export button, export. Now we're able to print a report of these jobs. This is a very robust feature in Rivet, giving you the kind of customization that your organization requires. Let us know if you have any questions.